In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TradingView account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how the 30-day grace period works so you can make an informed decision. First, sign in to TradingView on the web. Use a desktop browser or a mobile browser if you prefer, but make sure you're on the website, not the mobile app. Deleting an account is a web-based action, and being logged in ensures you have access to the correct menu options tied to your profile. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings and Billing. Depending on the version of the interface you see, it may be labeled Account and Billing. Both options lead you to the same place where your account controls live. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just open the drop-down from your profile icon and look for any settings or billing entry. Inside that area, open Account Settings. This section is dedicated to your core account information and security preferences. It's the place where TradingView keeps the controls that affect your whole profile, not just chart or layout preferences. Now scroll down the Account Settings page until you find the Delete Account option. It's typically near the bottom, since it's a significant action. Take a moment here to understand what this means. Deleting your account begins a process that leads to permanent removal of your profile and its associated data, such as layouts, watch lists, and alerts. If you're comfortable proceeding, click Delete Account. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This step is designed to make sure you truly intend to remove the account. Read any warnings that appear, then confirm to start the deletion process. If there's a final confirmation button, click it to proceed. After you confirm, your account enters a 30-day pending deletion period. During this time, the account is scheduled for removal, but not yet gone. If you change your mind at any point in those 30 days, you can cancel the deletion by signing back in and following the prompt to keep your account. If you don't take any action, the deletion will complete automatically after the 30-day window, and the account will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've logged in on the web, navigated to Settings and Billing, opened Account Settings, initiated Delete Account, confirmed and understood the 30-day window. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have full control over the process from start to finish.